There's the military right there, and he wants to cross the road right there. Let's see how this works out for him. Let me get down here. What's up, man? Flash flood? Yeah, he wants to cross right here. He's got to figure out what to do. So yeah, a little flash flood at drop 8, unexpected. I didn't get a warning on my phone till it was already happening. But the road is washed out. Seems to be lightening up, actually. Here comes more. Woo! And big wheels rolling. That is the road, party people. You guys can make it. You're the United States military. Little flash flood won't stop you. Yeah. Big wheels rolling, party people. There you go. Yeah. There's one. Come on. Come on. So yeah, I didn't get a warning on my phone that there was a flash flood until it was actually happening. This is drop 8 in Slab City, California. It's just a little flash flood. It's usually a lot worse. The road's usually really washed out. But it's not that bad because these guys are driving through it, so. Big wheels rolling. Marty, come on, get out of the way. This is my dog mixing it up. Come on, Marty. Marty. Yeah, you got it. You guys got it. All right, all right. Let's go, Brandon. Let's go, Brandon. This is a great video. We got a flash flood and the military. Marty's gonna get run over by the military. Marty! Marty, get out of the way! Come on! All right, all right. All right, let's go, Brandon! Yeah, big wheels rolling. And a little flash flood. This is a small one. Yeah. Let's go, Brandon! Yeah! And we got one last one. Marty, do you want to get out of the way? And there we go, party people. And look at the road. There's a little piece of it left. Okay, Marty, let's go home. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. Bye-bye.